Hello and welcome back to Buckle Up. I'm Harry King.
I'm Rob Wilson, and I'm having a small crisis.
We're in a Lotus Emira. So you've been waiting for this day with bated breath, Rob. This is one of your favourite cars currently on sale.
It is absolutely one of my favourite cars on sale.
We're in the 3.5 litre V6 Manuel.
We are. The correct spec, some would say. Being
Yes.
that someone.
Launch edition.
The launch edition, yeah.
So we're looking at just under 90k for the car we're sitting in now.
Yep.
And we're going to watch Rob convince himself that he can afford a car that's just under £90,000.
I will sell... How many kidneys do we have?
2.
So I only need one, right?
You can function with one, yes.
Excellent. That's what I want to hear. Oh, I can hear... Oh! Sorry. Having a crisis. Oh! Yes!
Can you hear the supercharger?
Yep. Well, that is deeply pleasing to me.
Yeah, it's nice. 365 PS,
It feels like it.
and obviously around the 1.4 ton mark for this.
Yeah. It is heavy for a Lotus sports car. I had an Elise that was 852 kilograms.
Yes.
So compared to that, this is heavy.
Oh, a monster.
But
But it's as light as a Porsche Cayman, for example.
exactly, yeah.
It's not what many people would consider a heavy car.
No, not nowadays. Not when everyone's driving around in 2.5 ton electric SUVs, which Lotus also make.
I'm concerned, Rob, that this just doesn't have the road holding weight of a Nissan GTR or a BMW M5.
Yeah, well, this is it now, you see. If you want a sporty car, it has to be 2,700 kilograms. That's the rules. Oh, sorry. Just enjoying myself.
Yeah, no, that's fine.
The throttle pedal is very long,
Ooh.
which I like, because it's like that, oh, like, oh, I'm going into hyperspace, there's so much pedal left. I mean, so this one's on the touring suspension, so this is the more comfortable setup that you can get. And
the Eagle F1 tyres.
And yes, so it's not as slippy.
It's just slightly more road biased, but road biased Lotus is probably still more focused than most manufacturers' track setups.
Yes. Sorry.
Because most manufacturers won't sell you a car
No.
that is as focused as this. You would have to go and get it prepped to some extent.
No. We're on the world's worst road that we bring these cars down.
Yeah.
And it's not particularly uncomfortable, would you agree?
No, it's not bad at all.
I can
actually.
also feel every single thing through the steering wheel. It's rocking around in my hands.
Is it like running your hands over the surface of the tarmac?
Oh, it is, yes. To use a cliche,
Yeah.
it is, yes.
And you know what, Rob, this interior is a lovely place to be.
Yes, it is.
It's tan.
It is tan, which is what I would go for on mine. Which
Green exterior.
I would go for a green paint job, tan interior, personally. There's even 2 cup holders. It's basically the most practical car in the world.
Well, interestingly, it has a 150 litre boot, Rob, but then this
Yeah.
space behind the seats, you get another 200 litres in up to the roofline, which means that while it doesn't offer as much storage space as a Cockster,
No,
because that has 2 boots,
yeah.
it still offers quite a lot for a mid-engine sports car.
Oh, definitely. This actually feels very nice. This is nothing like what my Elise was like.
No.
I've got a screen. The radio was an option in
You know,
my...
I actually think this interior is nicer than the Boxster / Cayman.
Yes.
That feels quite dated on the inside.
There's a lot of buttons.
Yeah,
Isn't there? Like,
and
there's
it's a very
the tunnel of buttons.
small screen and...
Because even here, we've got like physical controls for the climate.
Yeah.
So it's nice and easy to use.
I've just noticed your entire steering wheel is caked in Allen.
Yes, very, very Allen Cantara'd. And it feels very nice. It's like, it's not as chunky as a BMW
No.
wheel, which I think is too chunky on the like M cars. This is just, it feels right. It feels like a Lotus,
Yeah.
unsurprisingly. Since I did own one for 3 years, I should probably know what that feels like.
Yeah. Are you going to drop a cock?
Yeah, go on then. Oh, shit. Oh, let's slow down. It's quite savage, isn't it?
Yeah.
When you let off the throttle, it doesn't takes no prisoners. It feels so amazing through the corners. Oh. I haven't driven a car with hydraulic steering for so long.
You forget how good it is, don't
Yeah.
you? Just like almost natively, and then obviously this has been engineered by Lotus, who I think are second to none
No.
when it comes to things like chassis and handling.
How are we looking?
Clear.
Excellent.
Oh,
That's the top. I love the sound of the supercharger.
yeah, there's nothing quite like a supercharged wine.
I can also see the throttle body
In the rearview
in the
mirror.
rearview mirror just twitching. I might have to sell this house that I've bought.
Whee!
I can't actually put into words. It's like, it's just telepathy. How it feels. Every single sense that you have, touch, see. I mean, it looks amazing. It smells quite good.
It does smell quite good. And you know what, Rob? I could get into it easily.
Yeah, you didn't have to fall out of it, into it, like you did on my Elise. Let's try fifth. I don't think I've got that far yet.
Does it have sixth?
Yeah,
Oh, well.
there's sixth.
Oh, so refined.
Can't even tell that the engine's on. That's 1500 RPM.
The door pockets in a Lotus.
Yeah, that's rare. This look, this is like metal. Great.
It's sharp.
It is sharp. How does it feel from the passenger seat?
Lovely. The seats are good.
The seats are very good.
Firm.
Yeah, but I mean, the ones I had were plastic with a bit of Allen
Yeah.
on them.
Yeah, your car might as well have had foam on the bulkhead.
Yeah, essentially it was. I love the exposed gear linkage down there as well.
That's deeply cool. There's a little pocket down there as
There
well.
is. It's just so practical.
And an Annette.
Is there an Annette?
There's an Annette on my side.
I don't have an Annette.
You could put,
How is she?
how are you, Annette? She says she's surprisingly spacious.
Oh, there we go. There's actually quite a decent shelf back there, isn't there?
Yeah, there's another Annette at the bottom of that one.
Is there?
Does this open?
Yes. Oh, USB and USB-C.
Wow.
I just love winding it up. Like, I would go everywhere in seconds. This is the perfect car for my mother.
Context on that joke. Rob's the one that puts the car in second gear and then it stays there for the rest of its life.
It looks so good in the mirrors, by the way.
Yeah. No, I can see the engine air intake.
Yeah.
What's visibility like?
It's. Do you know what? It's actually really quite good. I can see out the back. I can see where I've come from. I can see very well in those mirrors because it drops away like a McLaren at the
Yeah.
front. You've got that like view of the haunches, so you can place where the car is on the road. And even because you've got these little quarter light things here.
Yeah.
So even when you're pulling out onto a motorway, I suspect it wouldn't be terrible.
Yeah, you have a kind of 3/4 view.
Yeah. I tell you what, the manual isn't the most intuitive. I've gone for third a couple of times and missed
Yeah.
it. But my lease was a bit like that as well. It's because I'm not used to a proper manual.
Well,
Because no
there
one
is
does
that.
them anymore. I like a car that you've got to get used to.
MG3.
No.
Old one.
No, I didn't mean that. I meant I like a car that challenges me.
Old MG3.
No,
It's a challenging car.
it is it's challenging, yeah. And actually, the aircon is on and it's cooling me just so.
Yes.
Which has never once happened in my lease. Didn't matter what you did. It was some of the air, some of the time, at whatever temperature it felt like.
Those small plastic travel fans that you can
Yes,
the battery powered
it was exactly like that.
At least had one of those inside the dashboard.
Yeah,
You turned it on and that had to fire air out of all 4 air vents. It just
Exactly.
wasn't capable of doing it. Was that traction?
might be.
Do you want to conclude this video, Rob?
Not really, but let's conclude it. This is the best car ever made, and I will buy one.
Okay.
Thank you very much for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a like, comment down below, and let me know why you also think the Lotus Emira is the best car in the world ever made. But most importantly, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss one of our uploads. If you want to support us, you can do so by becoming a channel member or buying our lovely, lovely, sweet, sweet merch, which we are both sporting today. And if you want to follow us on social media, that's also somewhere down there.
Yes.
But what I'm most interested in doing right now is dropping a cog, and we'll see you next time.
Bye!
Bye!